Yeah, then I've caught a couple of criminal mischief charges. Got in trouble for beating up a writer. Ended up doing a little bit of time over that. Changed pretty much the course of my life over that one. You know, man, I thought we were playing by the game, bro. Thought, we were playing by the rules of the game, and obviously I was the only one playing by the rules, Because the dude went to the cops, and one thing led to another, Just changed the whole trajectory of my life from that, man. But, listen, everything happens for a reason, right? Graffiti has definitely ruined and saved my life. It's definitely a part of me. Because of that situation there, I never got hired. It always came back to bite me in the ass. So, that aspect of it ruined my life. And then it's always just been there, man. Man, know your fucking history, man.